Hello guys, I'm Shubham from Show Tutorial. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. This is absolutely free from your side, but it will help us grow. This is just a reminder video. अभी तक अगर आपने गेट के लिए अप्लाई नहीं किया है, then application portal is still open, right? Official website पर जाने के बाद you can see here apply online. By clicking here, this page will get open. Okay. It takes little time to get refreshed. Then, for the first time, if you are applying for GATE 2025, you have to click on register here. Okay, register here. And then you can do the registration. And after registration, you have to log in. Okay, आपको details मिलेंगे, email address या enrollment number, right? Through that you can log in. Okay, तो जिसे apply करना है, you can apply. As the last date is you can see 26 September is the last date. Okay, and then with the late fee 7th October is the last date, but late fee is too much, right? It is almost double. See, this is the fee, it is almost double. After late fee it goes to 1400. Now it is 900. Okay, for female SC ST PWD for a test paper and all other candidate it is 1800. With late fee it goes to 2300. You can see the difference between the fees in the regular period and extended period, right? You can apply in single paper as well as two combinations you can choose. Okay? अगर आपको और भी details चाहिए, then I will add the video I have made previously. Okay, in the I button you will see. So this was just a reminder video, right? That's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.